Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mac, and this is a channel where I have lots of cars and a lot of maintenance to get done. So we are focused on the GMC Denali today. I have to get the oil changed. I took it all the way to Miami and for one of our vacations, and the light came on. It's like, hey, you better change your oil. So that's what I'll be doing today. I know that last few maintenances have all been oil changes, but it's how it is. I mean, constant work on your vehicles at all times. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started on the truck. I went ahead and pulled it into the garage. Oh, by the way, this feature to close the mirrors off of your key fob is amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up and start on this oil change. This is the oil I will be putting in the truck today. The owner's manual does state that you need a 0 weight by 20. It's a Dexos, and here is the filter that goes with it. AutoZone actually has a discount on this. It's like $30 for this, but unfortunately my car requires 8 quarts. So I went ahead and just got this deal twice and just got an extra filter for later. And so if you don't know what Dexos is, it's made for longer lasting oils, better fuel economy. That's why they switched to that in the newer vehicles. I know that wasn't a thing before. I do have the 6.2 liter. Again, it does take 8 quarts, and this is what they recommended. Full synthetic Mobil 1. I've never had any issues with Mobil 1, so if you guys have any other opinions of what I should use in my truck, let me know. Mobil 1's what I've always used. Alright, let's go ahead and get started on the vehicle. As you can see, this is actually what I recommend, 0 by 20, Dexos, rated. Even has it on the cap. We are gonna go ahead and get started on the oil change. So we gotta go underneath it, unhook the filter, and start draining. I'll go ahead and put right here a little snippet from the manual. So you guys have an idea of where the oil filter is and the little drain plug. It is actually right here. It's a little bit past the wheel right here. And just make sure you're not undoing the transmission fluid when you're doing this. So here it is. So I'll be removing this 15mm bolt right here, taking that filter off and draining it. Something to note, when you undo the oil drain plug, it does shoot out at a pretty big arc. So make sure you scoot the container where you need it. Ask me how I know. Yeah, anyway, big mess. Anyway, next steps, I do have the filter, Mobil 1. Always good to put oil in here first. And lube up this oil ring. All right. Okay, it's now time to put some oil in this bad boy. So this took about 7.5 quarts until it was full, which is what I would expect. And I guess the last thing to do now is to go inside and reset the computer so it knows it has a new oil change. All right, in order to reset your oil engine life, you just turn the accessory on. Kind of just in these settings, you have all these different options going up and down. You have like trip, A, B, mile per hour. Tells you how fast the speed limit is, oil pressure, or not oil pressure, but tire pressure. And then you have this. This tells you what your life is. Mine's a 0. And then you just hit the right arrow on that and go to this reset option, and you just hit the button and it resets it. So couldn't get any easier to reset it in the car. So anyway, again, just scroll down your options in here, and you look for your oil life percentage, go to the right, hit reset. That's easy as that. All right, now that concludes this video. I'm sweating like crazy in here. Ugh. Whew. All right, well, this concludes this video of the GMC truck getting an oil change. The oil doesn't look that bad. Again, I change it on a regular basis, so I don't have to worry about it, but I hope this helped others that need to do oil changes on this truck and how to reset the life on it. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, have a good one.